Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jamie Lee and this is my sister,
Maisie. Today is very excited. Today, because we're having a draw and these are the fabulous prizes that you can win.
we've printed out all the people who voted and put them into little slips. Grandad, he's then read out the names and then pass them to Maisie to fold up and put them in the mixing bowl.
So the first one is Phantom 848 Phantom. I said that wrong. So fold that one up and put it in the mixing bowl. The second one is one UK Rider. These are not the winners, these are the ones that are going in the mixing bowl.
Okay.
Jay, fold them up.
And the next one is going to be A137100. Don't know who that is. And the next one's going to be VECPNE, VECPNE, I think. Then we've got Steve Asnott. There we go, fold them up. And then the next one is Motorbike Vlogger.
No, he's called Peter from football.
Right, next one we've got Clash 230. Next one we've got Muzzle Mike. Then we've got, I don't know whether we've done this one, I don't think we have, 4750548, don't know who that is. Then we've got the Silent Biker.
Maisie, fold it.
Then we've got the famous Buckeye Boys. Then we've got Last Tale. And last but not least, Bandit Nev.
Well, with the draw, you know that you can win these amazing prizes. So we're going to pull out the first one and I'll have this one because we think that's pretty amazing, better than like any of the other ones really.
Okay.
And then it's going to like go down there.
Okay.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
Well done. Now Maisie is going to pull the lucky winner.
No looking.
You got it?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Bandit Nev.
Bandit Nev's won the battle. Let the battle commence. Well done, Bandit Nev. The next one.
Muzzle Mike.
Muzzle Mike. He's won Langton Brewery.
No looking there, is it?
This is a big one, and I know already. 4755548.
Oh, right. That's that one then.
Oh, that one.
Okay. So who's next then?
A157100.
Right, that's that one then. Okay, we'll sellotape these to them so we don't get them mixed up.
No, 848.
Phantom.
Right.
One more.
One more. Who's the last lucky one?
No. And the final one goes to one UK rider.
Oh, well done. Well done, one UK rider.
Sorry for the other ones star if you don't win.
Well done. That's very generous of you. So what do you say now?
Thank you for watching.
And ride.
And ride on.
Ride safe. Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's it for the beer competition, and congratulations to the winners, and commiserations to the poor buggers who lost. Any road up. I hope you enjoy your spoils of victory, if you understand my meaning. Any road up. Can the winners please PM me their addresses and names as well, because I can't call you 658321. And I'll post the prizes off forthwith. Now, I've already uploaded this video twice now, and both times YouTube is playing up big time, so I apologise for that if you've already watched it. But any road up, that's it. If you PM me the address and your name, I'll whack them out to you. Anyway, well done, and I'll speak to you soon. Oh, the girls done really well. I'm really pleased with them. Anyway, thanks for watching the old farm. Bye.